Hey guys, today I'll be showing you the Smithsonian Learning Lab website. This is a website that allows students and teachers to discover and use resources of the Smithsonian. So this is their homepage here. To get started, you can go ahead and search for anything that you'd like to look up. This offers us some pictures of what we would find when searching for mummy. When you click on the picture, you can view information about this picture. It also allows you to add things to a personal collection, or if the teacher wants to create a collection that the students can access, they can do that. You can like some of your favorites, share them. You can also, it already builds citations for you in MLA and APA, so the students can copy this if they need to, if they're doing like a research paper. And then using your dashboard here, you're able to view your collections. You would need to publish them, and then once you do, you can go in and create assignments through them and also quiz questions, which is pretty cool. So I've actually developed a quiz question for this one. So when did Amelia Earhart first take flight? And then the students can choose their answer. It allows you to choose any point percentage that you'd like. You can choose multiple choice, true, false, etc. You can also go in and build assignments using specific Common Core standards. You can set the age limit for them. You can choose English or Spanish, which is pretty cool. So you can see assignments and rosters that you can build through here. They the website also allows you to subscribe to a newsletter. They have Facebook and Twitter pages that students can join, and it's a great resource just for them to search around and find some cool information on some fun topics.